In this video, I'm going to show you how to take screenshots in your Windows 11 computer or laptop. So I'm actually going to show you a couple different methods to do this. The first method is by heading over to your Start menu and searching for Snipping Tool. Once you've opened this tool, click on the camera icon in the top navigation, and then all you simply need to do is press New. Now what we can do is just make the selection on the screen where you want to take the screenshot of and then release. And just like that, we have now generated our screenshot. Now you can see that my screenshots are automatically saved to my screenshots folder. Now in order to enable this feature, click on the three horizontal dots in the top right hand side, select Settings, and make sure you have Automatically Save Original Screenshots turned on. Then just beneath that, it will show you where all of your screenshots are saved to. Now you can change this save location if you prefer, but I'm just going to leave it to the default screenshots folder. Now you can also hold the Windows key plus the Shift key plus the letter S, and that's also a shortcut to bring up this snipping tool. Now some other options you have here is to click on the drop down in the toolbar, and we can change the different mode depending on the type of screenshot we want to create. So for example, if you just want a full screenshot of your entire page, select full screen, and now if you click on the new button, it's just going to automatically take a screenshot of your entire page. You can also select freeform if you want to make a custom selection for your screenshot. So if I now click on new, you can see that I can draw out a specific shape on the screen. And finally, you can also take delayed screenshots. So now if I select 3-second delay and I go and create a new screenshot, there's going to be a 3-second delay before this screenshot is taken. So it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.